Today talking about Uluru. Australia's iconic red rock will be off limits to climbers. Uluru is probably Australia's best-known natural landmark. The ancient monolith is pretty impressive close-up and boasts intriguing statistics. Uluru is better known as Ayers Rock, it named by William Gosse in 1873 after Sir Henry Ayres. Uluru is the Aboriginal and official name. The rock was created over some 600 million years, and the Aborigines have been in the area for the last 10,000 years. It originally sat at the bottom of a sea, but today stands 348 meters above ground. One of the most startling Uluru facts, however, is that some 2.5 km of its bulk is underground. Uluru lies west of the Simpson Desert, not far from the red centre of Australia. About 335 km southwest of Alice Springs as the crow flies and 463 km by road. Contrary to popular belief, it is not the biggest monolith in the world. Mount Augustus in Western Australia holds that title. The rock is about 3.6 km long and 1.9 km wide, with a circumference of 9.4 km. The climb to the top is 1.6 km, much of which is at a steep angle, while the summit is generally flat. The surface is made up of valleys, ridges, caves and weird shapes that were created through erosion over millions of years. Surface oxidation of its iron content gives the would-be grey Uluru a striking orange-red hue. Thank you for watching Orange Red.